Okay, so it's been a favorite since, oh my god. It's been a minute since I have done a favorites video, and I wanted to show you guys some of the products I have been obsessed with the past month or two. I have some beauty and non-beauty favorites, so let's just jump into this thing. This first product is not a new product, however, it is one of my favorite fall palettes, and this is the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia. As you can see, it just has your perfect fall colors. You have some of your oranges, you have your deeper browns, you have the red tones in here. You also have some shimmer shades, and then you have some nice transition colors. So I've been using this so much in fall just because it has those perfect berry shades, which I have been loving. So if you haven't tried this out, or if you haven't swatched it, just go swatch it in a store or pick it up. You will not be disappointed with this palette. It is amazing. The next product I have been loving is the NARS Climax mascara. First of all, I love this packaging, and this color is just giving me life. I don't like mascara wands that are super thin and they don't have a lot of bristles. I prefer them to be a bit thicker. So this mascara wand is literally why I bought this in the store. When I saw this, I was like, I know I'm going to love this mascara. Funny enough, when I first started using it, I really didn't love it until I realized that this mascara applies best when you really roll it onto your lashes and kind of wiggle it back and forth. Also, this is one of my favorite mascaras for holding a curl. I noticed that when I curl my lashes and I apply a decent amount of this, my lashes stay curled all day long. I have two favorite lip products for fall. The first is this Dose of Colors liquid lip in the shade Nude Chica. It is this beautiful nude shade. It's the perfect nude. It's not too pink, it's not too brown, it's kind of right in the middle. This is a limited edition, so if you still see these products at doseofcolors.com or at a Dose store or in Ulta, which is where I got that, definitely pick them up because they're not going to have them around forever, and they are great products. So the next lip product I have been loving is actually what I am wearing today. Now, I do have a nude gloss over this lip right now, so I'm going to swatch it on my hand so you can see. This is the Morphe liquid lipstick. This is the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Peanut. It is just the perfect fall shade if you're looking for a lip that is a bit darker but not too dramatic. The next makeup or beauty item that I have been loving since I purchased this, which I think may have been like 2 months ago, maybe, are the Nelo Cosmetics lashes I am wearing today. These are in the style Arya. I love these lashes just because they are super wispy. They kind of differ in length, so there's parts where it gets longer, a little bit shorter, longer, a little bit shorter, and I find that that style just makes your eyes look so pretty, and I have been loving these lashes, not to mention they're mink, so they're gonna last a long time. So I've been using these lashes all the time. I'm sure you guys have seen them in a lot of my tutorials lately, but I cannot help myself. I have just been feeling those lashes. The next product I have been loving lately is actually a toothpaste. This is the Carbon Fairy Natural Whitening Toothpaste. I did a video with Carbon Fairy. I did a morning routine. If you want to see that video, I will have it linked down below. But this toothpaste claims to whiten your teeth naturally, and it really does. I'm actually in love with this product. I'm not being paid to say this right now. They don't even know I'm talking about this product right now, but I've just been loving this. It is natural. It uses charcoal and coconut oil to really help whiten your teeth. It's gradual over time, and it's nice and minty too, so it gives you fresh breath. But I've really been loving this toothpaste, and the fact that it really works is just absolutely amazing. The next item is not a beauty item. However, I am such a candle fiend. You guys have no idea. And one of my favorite fall candles is Sweater Weather by Bath & Body Works. This candle just smells so good. I don't even know how to describe it. It's kind of like outdoorsy. It's kind of like, I don't know, but it just smells really good. The next item is a skincare item. This is by NXN, and this is their Zero Gravity Whipped Day Cream. It also doesn't make my skin too oily, and it just smooths your skin out so much and really kind of just evens your skin out. I don't even know how to describe it. It just feels so soft on the skin, and it makes my makeup lay really nicely as well. So I've just been loving this. I'm probably gonna pick up a full size of this just because once I run out of this, I know I'm gonna want it. Now, this last product is not new. However, it is something that I used to use all the time and ran out of it. I never bought it again, and now I've recently tried it again, and it just works so well. This is the Mario Badescu Drying Lotion. I'm not sure if I've had this in one of my favorites videos before. However, it's just great for if you're having any breakouts or any pimples. Dip a Q-tip dip into this and then you put it onto your pimple, and overnight it literally goes away. It is so amazing, and this lasts a long time, which is nice as well. They do have a glass version of this. However, I don't trust myself with glass. I drop things all the time, so I get the plastic one. This is about $17, but it does last a long time, and I know a lot of other people love this as well. This is definitely one of their most popular items, so love that. So this completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's nice switching it up and doing something different than a tutorial, so if you guys enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up so I know. Also, if you want to see more sit down and kind of talk videos like this where I'm not just showing you guys how to do a look, but I'm just talking about different things or showing you guys products I like, let me know down below and leave some video ideas down below as well. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, please do. It would mean so much to me. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.